Hey everybody, welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you self-hosted budget management with Firefly. So if you want Firefly 3, it actually can be deployed quickly using Docker Compose, which handles the setup of both application, and it requires basically its required database. So this approach is recommended for its simplicity and ease of maintenance, allowing you to get up and running with minimal effort. So first you're going to be needing to install a Docker, which I suggest you, and a Docker Compose. So make sure you do that, and it could be done pretty easily using your sudo apt update command. Once we do that, the second step is creating a directory to Firefly 3. So we can see we have Firefly 3 here, and we got our directory. Now then you need to download Docker Compose file. You can head over to the official Docker Compose configuration for Firefly. It is given, so let me just actually show you the link. So you're gonna be heading over to this particular link, and yeah, so basically here you are gonna be finding it. Let me just remove this from the end. Okay, so you're going to be heading over to this particular link. Once you are there, you're going to be downloading the environment for your files, and you will be pretty much good to go. So this is basically the actual workflow, and you can create your self-hosted budget management with Firefly 3. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.